My dear technicians, you are welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix this charging port. You can see that it is actually peeled. You can see none of the legs are on the PCB. They are all peeled off. So I'm going to show you the simple way, the easiest way you can actually fix the charging port to this kind of Bluetooth speaker. Now I've gotten a new charging port, you can see. So now I'm going to bend the leg. I'm making some adjustment to it. So now I'm done with the back leg. So now the negative line, I'm going to connect it to the body of the charging port because all of them are negative, negative. So I'm bending, you can see I've bent it to the body of the charging port. So now I'm going to get a jumper wire. You can see my jumper wire. Some people call it running wire. So I've gotten my jumper wire. So I've gotten the length I want. So now I'm going to use a razor to remove the coating so that I can apply my lead and do my connection. So please watch this video to the end to know how to do this, okay? So that it doesn't stress you a lot. So now I'm done. So I want to apply my lead now. You can see. Please like this video, share, drop your thoughts in the comment section. So now I'm connecting the negative. I'm connecting the negative that I bent. I'm connecting it to the body because all of them are all negative, so that it doesn't stress you. Connect the negative. You can see. You can see. I'm done connecting the negative to the body. So now let me apply my lead to the positive now. The positive is the one you're going to jumper, and I'm going to show you where you're going to jumper it to, okay? So let me remove this lead on the jumper wire so that there's no excessive lead on the jumper wire, so that it doesn't breach things out of hand. You can see I'm done connecting the jumper wire. So now in the middle, I'm going to apply my lead because that's where most charging port has issues from. Because by the process, the customers put the charger inside wrong, it's going to open it. So let me apply the lead so that I can keep it together, so that I can hold it together. You can see I'm trying to make sure the lead is melted very well. So now I'm still applying it to the edge. You can see. So please follow this process. As long as those points are still on the PCB, ensure you apply the lead to the charging port like this. Can you see? So I'll soon be done. I won't waste your time. I'll soon be done. So now I'm adjusting the leg now so that it can fit into the PCB directly, okay? Because this is not the Fullcom charging port for the Bluetooth speaker. So I'm adjusting it now. So you can see it fits in correctly. So now I'm going to use my soldering iron to fix it, to connect it now. You can see. So let me apply my lead. Let me apply lead so that it can easily be fixed. Okay, can you see? I will soon be done. Please, my dear technicians, take your time to do a good work for your customers, okay? You can see. One have entered, means the second side. It has also entered. Can you see? I will soon be done. So now let me let the back now, the back leg. Let me remove the cap so that it doesn't get burnt. So now let me let this back so that it can be strong enough. Okay, you can see I'm done with one side. So now let me go to the other side. I'll soon be done. You can see I'm almost done. I just want to make sure that the lead is holding it perfectly, holding it strongly. Okay, you can see. So you are going to connect the positive to this diode. Okay, connect the positive to this diode. You can see I'm applying lead to the diode now. You can see this is a rectifier diode, so I'm applying the lead. So now let me connect my jumper wire. Now you can see that is the positive line of the charging port. You can see I'll soon be done. It's now well connected. Let me connect it. Please take your time and do a good work. Okay, I want to make sure it is well connected. Okay, you can see I'm done connecting. So you can see the charging port is very clean. Okay, you can see we did a very clean work here. So now we are going to test it now. We're going to test the work and see. You can see. So now let's turn it off. Can you see it is working? My dear technicians, can you see it is working? It is working. Somebody might be asking, why is the red light not showing? That is because we have not fixed the battery. But now let's fix the battery to show that yes, it is because the battery is not slotting. That is why the red light is not showing. So let me off it. And now let me connect it. 1, 2, go. Can you see? Can you see that it's showing now? Can you see? Please like this video, subscribe to this channel for more videos. Bye for now.